Hello, my name is Tania Fleitas. I'm medical oncologist at Hospital Clínico Universitario of Valencia and a researcher of the INCLIVA Biomedical Research Institute, located in Spain. INCLIVA is the coordinator entity of the international and multicentre AIDA project, funded by the European Union with the aim of developing a diagnostic tool guided by artificial intelligence to detect pre-gastric cancer lesions and improve the prognosis and outcomes of individuals at risk of developing gastric cancer. AIDA is fully aligned with the European agenda of staying healthy in a rapidly changing society. To this end, it brings together 12 partners from 8 European countries in the field of gastric inflammation, gastric cancer, AI and machine learning, data governance and privacy, public administration and patient advocacy. With this project, we hope to better understand the factors that trigger the disease, facilitate access to objective indicators of chronic inflammation, to establish personalized prevention measures, and promote better informed citizenship. Finally, thanks to AIDA, INCLIVA will take a crucial step towards improving the prevention and treatment of gastric cancer, firmly advancing our goal of improving patient survival and quality of life.